Get out. Oh. Can you read that? The Oregon Coast Gravel Epic. Take it right over here. So tomorrow, this is like, I've been seeing some signs. It says it's about 42 miles in, 43 miles in right here. I'm gonna have to look this up. But it's pavement right here. I don't see any road signs. But how cool is this? This is gonna, I bet this is a gnarly race. There are some, looks like really tough climbs, so not the best for roller skiing, but for gravel bikes this would be awesome. So whoever wins this, congratulations, and whoever finishes this, congratulations. I'm gonna have to look this up online. So maybe they come out of Keller Creek Road and end up on, I don't know how to pronounce it, but Yachot River Road. Yay chat. Sounds like an app. Yachot River Road or something like that, and then take a right onto this road. And as you can see, starts climbing, so dang, that's pretty awesome. All right, well, good luck to everybody doing that tomorrow. Perfect weather for it today. We'll see what it's like tomorrow, but if it's similar to this, it'd be a great day for racing. And it sounds like it's a 100-mile bike race or so. So that is really cool. Alright, nice roller ski. It'd be cool to be here for another day. See that bike race come through. Looks like a pretty big event. But it's cool to know I got to ski the course on roller skis for a little ways. That's cool. I'm just down the road from where they'll be turning off this road right here. So, yeah, I'll have to check that out online. I'll have to see if there's any videos and results and things like that. But, yeah, but I'm headed north this afternoon. Probably find some more surf spots and some more camping, and I'll meet my sister up north and we'll get to hang out on the coast together, and that should be a great time. Oh, and what do you know? Can you see that? Waterfall. That's so cool.
Find the taillights, something's coming in, you're gonna wanna take a red eye. It's time to go. It's time to go. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Don't blink, don't blink. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Don't blink, don't blink.
whiskey, and maybe I'll get to see that race going on. I don't know how many people are going, and I don't know what time they started, but it'd be cool if I could time it where I was at that turnoff while they're coming through, so that'd be cool. And then my sister's gonna be here soon, and then go to the coast and go check some stuff out, maybe go for a little hike or walk or something, and surf later tonight, so that all should be really fun. Let's do it.
I'm a summer name on the dotty. City lights call my name, drawn to the flame, and I'm feeling kinda naughty. I hit the ground running, step out the door and I'm stunning. Better hold.
Look there.
You call me a flight risk, try to close my eyelids and let the sound of water fill me from the bottoms up with the sun down. Take a quick look around, I don't recognize your eyes, but I know this. Place me on a pedestal, sex, drugs, rock and roll. I've been trying to climb my way to the top of your heartbeat slowly, hardly even know me, but you hold me closer than a mother with a baby. So don't let it go, don't let it show. We all know just how this goes. Don't let it go, don't let it show. We all know just how this goes. Don't let it go, don't let it show. We all know just how this goes. Don't let it go, don't let it show. We all know just how this goes. You call me a flight risk, try to close my eyelids and let the sound of water fill me from the bottoms up with the sun down. Take a quick look around, I don't recognize your eyes. Flash for face, hit the ground, not a single sound. Linger on, but I'm on to another round. Thought you knew I'm on the move and nowhere to be found. Thought you knew I'm on the move and nowhere to be found.
On Atreyu. She is now burrowed between my two jackets. There she is. Hello. Hi, cold girl. Go for another wave, another wave, another wave. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Are we gonna go? We might go for this one. And look how fast he can paddle. You'd think he has like two turbines at the end of his hands, but they're actually just regular hands. I've seen them myself. So that's how I know. But it's really wild how fast he can paddle. It looks like he's going, here we go, catching a wave. Oh, he caught me. Oh, what about this one? Nah. Eric surfs in the dark and we find out where he goes. Just kind of watching, like, oh, okay, there's a head, that's good. Damn. Stop bumping the goddamn camera film, Kern. What'd I tell you about bumping the goddamn camera? Look at that wave, though. Dang, too bad he wasn't in position with that one. Here's an Atreyu update, just poking her little nose out like a little nectar mouse, you know what I mean? Like a little nectar mouse. Look at that cute little thing. That's the most adorable thing I ever did. Garn darn, see, garn darn. The huge wave. Oh, there he goes! Oh, shit. No. Flipper. Tree! Dude, I swear. Oh my god, I'm so bad. I'm so sorry. I like got behind the tree for one goddamn second. Oh, that was a good one. Oh no. Oh no, the tree. Oh, there he goes, okay. Dang it, I suck, I'm sorry. Oh, that was such a good one. I don't know if you can see, but he's boogie boarding in. Might be done.